absolutely majestic, the panoramic suite in the Flora Misty. Look at this interior, this beautiful lush suite, and then the Athirapalli Falls. I'm going to go there later. I'm going to start with a room tour, and look at this. This is your beautiful mini bar with these exotic fruits, all kinds of snacks, your Pringles, your dry fruits, your Snickers and whatnot. Just have a look. I mean, this is just mesmerizing. This is just exotic. You know, this is the table that they provided here. This is beautiful. You know, they have the coffee maker, they have the hot water kettle. Look at this. You can just spend your whole day lounging here. Oh my God, you know, I just can't take my eyes off anything here. Look at this beautiful decor items, the pieces. You know, this is the beautiful the sitting area that they have attached to this room. This is a suite, and then this is what you get here. You know, the moment you open the door to this room, this is out of the world beauty that you see, and then you just fall short of words. Right now, like, I'm really struggling to describe this scene, how my heart is totally full here. I think my birthday has just started absolutely gorgeously. I couldn't have had a better start to my birthday. This is the beautiful bedroom area, and look at the lovely heartfelt decoration that they provided me. You know, these rugs and everything's just out of the world. And when I sit here, please come and join me and look at what I get to see. Right from my bed, right from my couch, this is my view. And yes, I'm taking you to this mesmerizing balcony to show you what a heavenly sight this is. If this doesn't completely take away your breath, I don't know what will. This is just mind-blowing. This is like straight out of, you know, God's own country, designed in His ways. And this is how you get to enjoy it. I just have no words. Look at this balcony, you know. This is from where I can just sit here. I can just sit on my beautiful area and just, you know, just soak in this absolutely mesmerizing vibe. Wow. I truly cannot fit in the adjectives to describe how absolutely relaxed, charmed, and completely, you know, I'm just, you know, butterflies in my stomach kind of feeling. This is absolutely mind-numbing. Yeah, so right now I've gotten up. But guys, this is just out of the world magical. And look at this. Now this is where I'll get into my bathtub and then I will stare towards heaven. Look at this. I will stare towards heaven from my bathtub. That is the panoramic Flora suite and my big bucket list getting executed one by one.